Hi guys, this is Angel from PRDV Entertainment. Welcome to another Microsoft Visual Basic tutorial. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can save a file with text inside. Now it's going to be two ways. The first way is to get the special directories of Windows, which are in your profile, on your Windows profile, which are my documents, my videos, my pictures, temp folder, blah blah blah. And the second way is to save it on the default folder of your program, of your software. And this is going to be really simple. So we're going to drag from our toolbox here a button which is on the top. We're going to double click on this and we're going inside the code. And in here on the top, we're going to import our system IO so we can start using text writer, the stream writer, uh, and other, you know, codes that you can use, but you need to import it. If you don't do that, you won't be able to use it. Okay, so we're going to create a variable which is going to have basically the path of where the file is and the name of the file. So we're going to create two different ones. One for the default folder of the program of the software, and the other one for the temp folder on Windows, on your Windows profile. So let's start by creating dim file writer as new stream writer. And we're going to create first the one that we're going to save on our temp folder. Okay, so we're going to use the system IO here, path combine, close here, and now we're going to tell him the path, which is my computer dot file system dot special directories, and here you will find your desktop, your my documents, my music, my pictures, and the temp folder, which is the one that I'm going to be using, comma, and in here we're going to tell him in strings the name of the file, which is my file name is data.txt. I don't know, you can put whatever you want. I don't know why I made this so long. So I'm going to the next line, hit enter, and in here we're going to use once again the variable. This is where we're going to start writing text inside the text file. Dot write, and in here, and by string, I'm going to tell him there's going to be hello. And then on the next line, we need to close the file so we can keep it closed so we can read it, we can open it. If not, if you don't do this, he won't let you open the file if you go directly to a file, or if you try to open it on another form. You have to close the file first. File writer dot close. And let's put a message box here so it can tell us when it creates the file. File created. Okay, so let's hit run. So the file has been created, and now we're going to our temp folder by %temp %, and in here the file name will, oh my god, I gave such a long file name, my file name, there it is. So here we have our text inside our file name. Oh my god, this is so little, so small. Why? There we go. Hello. So that's the text that we put inside on our file name here. Okay, so now to make it simple, and you want to save, let's say the file inside your default folder of your program, just delete this right here, and that's it. Oh, we gotta take this off. And that's it. From here, it will save the file inside the default folder where your program is. It doesn't matter where it is, whatever it is. Okay, so in our case, it's in the debug folder of our project, so we got to go there. Okay, so if I go here and I hit run, and we try to search for our file, users, your username on your computer, source, repos, and the project or where you're working. In our case, is project tutorial, bin, debug, and in here is the file. So it saved the file. Now you can use this to save I don't know, settings for your program, settings for the user, remember username and password, remember my email. I don't know, whatever you want to do. Depends on you. You have different ideas. You can use it for different things. Probably you have better ideas than me. I hope so. So just try to do your best. Okay, so now we can use also a text box. We don't actually need to put only text in here telling it by string. So in our case, let's add one more thing here. Let's put text box in here. My God, I'm so today, I don't know. Okay, text box. Why did, okay, this is not selected. There we go. So we got the text box in here, and we're gonna put the name, I don't know, TXT1. Let me change the name. The reference name for this text box is TXT1. So we double click in here, and instead of having this, you need to delete it, and you need to put the reference name of whatever file, whatever object is. If it's a label or a text box or rich text box or I don't know, whatever else it is. So in our case, it's txt1.text. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is that when you create a new stream writer, he's going to output the file. In other words, if you haven't played around with Visual Basic, other versions, previous versions from before, from other years, what it does is that it creates the file completely new and it saves the file, the whatever text you want inside the file every time you run the code. So in the next tutorial, I will teach you how you can append text inside the file. So basically that's adding more text without creating the file completely new. Okay? So in here we have the text box. So if we put something inside the text box, it's supposed to save it over there. Okay, so let's put here hello people. There you go. And now we get our file once again. Users, your username, go to source, go to repos, go to your project, go to bin, debug, and inside here I have hello people. So every time you put something different, it will save whatever text, whatever value it has inside as text into that file. Well, this concludes this simple tutorial for how to add text inside to a text file, how to create it, how to make an output of a file. So on next tutorial, I will be teaching you guys how to append text, so how you can add text inside that file, inside that file, and how you can read it also, so you can use it on another form, or probably to load some data to a text box or to labels or to a data grid. I don't know. Different options. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like it, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. More things are coming, and really great ones, actually. Probably sooner than I thought. We're going to be working with MySQL pretty soon. Like, real soon. Okay? This is Angel from PRDV Entertainment, guys. See you guys next time.